Pleasant morning to everyone. Welcome to TennyMax. Now I am moving to example 1.16. So what is the question actually? Check whether the following for one-to-oneness or on-to-ness, isn't it? So listen my dear. Subdivision 1. What is the question actually? Function R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. So solution R to R, isn't it? So real to real, the condition actually f of x is equal to 1 by x. What is the meaning of one-to-one function? After considering f of x is equal to f of y, if you get it answer x is equal to y means definitely we can say it is one-to-one function. அதாவது ஃபங்க்ஷனை ரெண்டு சைடும் ஒரே வேல்யூ அப்ளை பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சரும் எக்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஒய்ன்னு கிடச்சுன்னு அதை என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம் ஒன்-to-one ஃபங்க்ஷன். பட் ஹியர் what will happen, let's see, f of x is equal to f of y means what will happen, 1 by x is equal to 1 by y, then cross multiply means y is equal to x. So y is equal to x means we can say this is actually x is equal to y. So x is equal to y, after getting at that time we can say it is one-to-one function. உடனே இதை நம்ம சொல்லிட முடியாது one-to-one function because the condition is like that. condition அப்படி ஒரு condition கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, that is one of the difficult condition. Okay, this is actually what will happen because real to real number means 0 also possible. If you take it 1 by 0 means definitely infinity value come. So infinity means it does not exist, so it's not belongs to real numbers. Okay, so please listen my dear. Okay, I will explain with one of the arrow diagram la நான் apply பண்றேன். What will happen, so real to real, so x and y, this is a domain and this is a codomain. So what will happen, so real to real number means, so the main condition actually f of x is equal to 1 by x. Then if you consider minus 1 means what will happen, f of minus 1 means definitely minus 1 by 1. So minus 1 possible. Okay, pre-image of minus 1 means minus 1. Again minus 2 means what will happen, definitely we can say minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 of pre-image, what the answer actually, minus 2. So yeah, as well as positive 1 also what will happen, f of positive 1 means definitely positive 1. So pre-image of 1 means value will be 1. As well as positive 2 means definitely positive 1 by 2. The same, அப்போ 1 by 2 ஓட pre-image நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம், 2ன்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம். அப்போது இதே மாதிரி அப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது கண்டிப்பாக ரியல் டு ரியல் நம்பர்ஸில் ஜீரோன்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய நம்பரும் பாசிபிள், isn't it? So what will happen actually, f of 0 means definitely 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 means what is the meaning, infinitive. Infinitive means it's not belongs to real numbers. Definitely we can say when x is equal to 0, it is does not exist. So therefore it is not a function. கண்டிப்பா இது ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனே கிடையாது. Why? So 1 by 0 means infinity is there, so does not exist. So from this answer for subdivision 2, இதில் கிடைச்ச ஆன்சர் வச்சு நம்ம subdivision 2 சொல்லலாம். இதில் 0 சொல்லக்கூடிய டேமை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டா டெஃபினெட்லி நம்ம one-to-one ஃபங்க்ஷனாக நமக்கு ப்ரூவ் பண்ணி காட்டலாம். தட்ஸ் அவங்க கிளியராக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க subdivision 2ல ரியல் டு, sorry my dear, this is actually real to real numbers except 0 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, they have given clearly. So I will prove it for subdivision 2. So subdivision 2, what is the question actually, real to real but domain part they have given except 0. So now we can comparing with one-to-one function the same function. What is the function actually, 1 by x. What is the meaning of one-to-one, f of x is equal to f of y means, so 1 by x is equal to 1 by y. Then cross multiply means definitely we can say x is equal to y. So we can say it is one-to-one function. So one-to-one function is clear. Moving to on-to-one, we have to check it. On-to-one means I have taken for the arrow diagram. Okay, the same part, arrow diagram, x and y. This is called domain. This is called codomain. Okay, codomain. What is the function of the main term? F of x is equal to 1 by x. But they have given clearly first part actual real true real numbers. First actually domain part except 0. Except 0 means if you consider minus 1 means what will happen? F of minus 1 means minus 1 by 1. So answer will be minus 1. Okay, pre-image of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Then actually they are given 0 is not possible. Here 0 is not possible. Another number means okay, taken 1. Positive 1 means what will happen? F of positive 1 means only 1 will come. So pre-image of 1 will be 1 is there. As well as next time actually, okay, true means what will happen? F of 2 means 1 by true. So 1 by true pre-image definitely true. But domain only they have given except 0. But codomain possible no, real number. Here 0 is possible no. So definitely if you consider 0 means there is nothing true pre-image. Here it's nothing. That's why we can say clearly it is not on 2. So how to finalize this line for y is equal to 0, it belongs to R in codomain. In codomain there exists no pre-image in domain. Therefore it is not onto function. Okay, so from subdivision to 1 to 1 clear, 1 to 1 தெளிவாக கொடுத்து பண்ணலாம், கண்டிப்பாக 1 to 1 function சொல்லலாம். But on to 1 கேட்டால் நிச்சயமாக on to கிடையாது. Okay, so I hope prove with the example also. So please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Okay, thanks to viewers. We will continue our next video. Bye bye.